Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan dito ang pagsusunog ni Shiba Inu kung saan ay ayan, meron na naman po silang sinunog na 9.35 billion SHIB. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, ang sabi po rito ay Shiba Inu team eliminated over 9 billion tokens in their inaugural burn of 2024, spending about $476,000 to burn SHIB so far. Kaya yan, isa na naman po itong pagsusunog ng isa na naman itong malaking pagsusunog ng Shiba Inu tokens na umaabot po ng higit 9 billion na tokens yung kanilang sinunog. The Shiba Inu development team has upheld their commitment by persistently carrying out regular token incineration, thereby diminishing the substantial circulating supply of SHIB. In particular, Shiba Inu has seen the first SHIB burn for 2024 from its team. In the latest burn endeavor, the Shiba Inu crew wiped out 9.351 billion SHIB tokens. This transaction occurred on January 9 at 8:29 p.m. UTC. Kaya yan. Yan po yung saktong amount na sinunog ng SHIB team. Nasa 9,351,444,444,446. Yan ang amount ng SHIB tokens. At nangyari po ito nitong January 9. Kahapon lamang po yan. Shiba Inu's content marketer Lucy called attention to this development in a recent statement on X. Kaya ayan po. Si Madam Lucy po ang nagbigay ng ng announcement tungkol sa pangyayaring ito. New burn or panibagong pagsusunog. Yan, pinakita po niya rito yung screenshot ng transaction ng nasunog. Fifth Shibarium powered burn. Yan, panglima na po ito. According to Etherscan, the transaction details indicate that the incinerated SHIB tokens held a monetary value of $89,867.38. The Shiba Inu team conducted the burn through a singular transaction, transferring over 9 billion tokens to the designated dead wallet. Significantly, the incineration of 9.351 billion SHIB token represents the fifth instance of the Shiba Inu team burning SHIB tokens, utilizing gas fees gathered from ecosystems blockchain Shibarium. Moreover, the quantity burned in this fifth SHIB burn surpasses the first burn executed by the team a month earlier by more than 1 billion units. According to the Crypto Basic, the team eradicated 8.24 billion SHIB on December 4 compared to 9.35 billion this time. Following the first Shibarium-powered SHIB burn, 3 subsequent burns took place in December 2023, each involving approximately 8 billion units. Kaya yan po yung mga nasunog. Yan, na-content na rin po natin yan, yung mga nakalipas na pagsusunog. Kaya pang 5 na po ito or pang 5th na pagsusunog yung kanilang sinagawa kahapon. Shiba Inu expended $476,000 to burn SHIB. Yan, umaabot na po ng ganitong amount na halaga yung nasusunog dito na Shiba Inu token. Yan, yung 5 isinagawang pagsusunog po nila itong mga nakalipas na mga pagsusunog na isinagawa ng SHIB team. With the recent incineration of 9.351 billion Shiba Inu tokens, the development team has successfully removed over 43 billion SHIB tokens from circulation, utilizing funds from Shibarium gas fees. Kaya ayan. Yan na po yung total ng mga nasusunog na amount ng Shiba Inu tokens. Umaabot na po ng 43 billion na SHIB tokens. At galing po yan sa Shibarium gas fees. While joyfully sharing news about the latest burn, the official Shiba Inu X account drew attention to the financial magnitude of the Shiba Inu tokens it has burned so far. SHIB says that almost 208 worth has disappeared in just 1 month. Kaya yan po yung actual na tweet rito ng SHIB. It is getting hot in here. Oh wait, it's just it's just as burning some SHIB in just about a month. We've incinerated nearly 208 worth. Yan, transaction details. Yan. In other words, the Shiba Inu has expended nearly $476,000 to burn SHIB tokens, considering the price of 200 Ethereum. Kaya yan pong muli ang panibagong pagsusunog na isinagawa ng SHIB team kahapon na umaabot po sa 9.35 billion SHIB yung kanilang amount ng Shiba Inu tokens na sinunog. Ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.